In this tutorial, I will show you measure tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have drawn an rectangle here to demonstrate this measure tool, which is located here. This is eyedropper tool and this is measure tool. So when I am measuring it, after accessing this tool, you can see my cursor is now transformed to cross hair. So I would like to measure the length of this, the width of this rectangle. So I am clicking here. After clicking, you can see an info plane has been popped up here, and when I am pressing shift to making a straight line, I am measuring, and it is showing the width is 7.087 inch and height 0 inch, and you can see D, this is length of this measurement, this line. So I am releasing the mouse and it is the length of this 7.087 inch. So it is now showing inch, but if I accessing ruler tool by pressing Ctrl plus R from keyboard, you can see ruler tool measurement. I need to right clicking here to see the measurement selected. Now it is inches. I can change the measurement from pixel. If I click here pixel, now the measurement is in pixel, and now if I click here and hold down shift and press it, it will show the measurement in pixel. So I can easily change the measurement also, and it is also showing the x and y coordinates of the shape. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.